So we are done for the day, and then we going back to hotel. So while going, we'll show you the village area. Lot of coconut trees, greenery. Uh,
Fields on either sides of the roads.
Correct. Not very
But
dense area, right? I mean, big houses and with big lands.
Yeah. They have big open spaces, most of them.
Correct.
Because Goans, even in the smallest of houses, we like to have a little garden either in the front or at the back. I mean, before they used to have in the front and back for kitchen garden, grow their own local vegetables and certain type of herbs and all. But now it's slowly changing, but they definitely want to have a little garden in the front, even if they don't cultivate any vegetables or herbs at the back.
Small restaurant. अभी इसको भी हॉर्न मारेगा इरफान.
हमारी मीटिंग चल रही है इसलिए अपन लोग कुछ बोल रहे हैं आराम से चल.
लड़की तो पक्का मारने वाला था. How many months in year, rainy season in Goa?
Officially, the monsoon starts in the month of June.
Okay.
June, July is supposed to be the heaviest.
Okay.
August, it's like little less. September, October is what we call the receding monsoons, but the end of the monsoons. But
Okay.
this year, as you've seen for yourself, with the cyclonic, activity that was in the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal, it's been a bit wet. So
Okay.
normally, by end of October, the monsoons are over.
So basically 4 months.
4 months.
So basically,
You could say 5 months because October, no? So June, July, August, September, October. 5
Yeah.
months, say. Then after that, it is dry and it's supposed to be pleasant, never cold in this part of India, but it is pleasant. And then from March onwards, it starts getting very hot, like the actual summer.
then temperature goes from 25 to 35.
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
And in the villages, especially at this time, no, because of the Goan concept where the Portuguese were, and of course the climate, we have siesta, like
Okay.
break. Everybody's maybe catching up on their sleep or just taking it easy. Now in the cities and all, the shops and the stores are open like from morning to evening. But olden days and in the villages, especially from around 1:32 to about 3:34, you would find a lot of the shops and everything closed. Yeah, now because of the coastal areas where tourism is there, everything is like on the go. But traditionally, between 1:32 to about 3:34, everybody would pull their shutters down.
See big mango trees, big cashew trees. Cashew almost every single corner, yeah? Cashew and mango.
Yeah, cashew, mango, jackfruit, all these grow very well here.
See these houses with red roof, like how many years old?
See, these smaller ones won't be too long. They could be 30, 40 years old.
These ones, these with
The very, these will be new. But the roofs are because of blackening, no. But the houses that you see with big verandas, balconies, some of them will be over 100 years old.
Ah,
Definitely
okay.
from like 1800s or 19, no, definitely 1800s. Yeah, the very old ones. The big ones. Like this one you see on the left, I'm sorry, on the right. This definitely will be from the 1800s, if not longer.
Yeah, so this area majority live in Dubai, UK, Portugal.
All working abroad.
All
Or
work-
cruise liners and all, no?
Yeah.
Like earning and then sending money and like building.
And building big
Yeah,
houses.
bungalows, houses, all that.
Yeah, nice well, big well.
Yeah, big well.
So this water body that you see on the right traditionally used to be the storage for water, because when the monsoon season wasn't there, they used to use this water to irrigate the rice fields on the left hand side.
Ah, okay.
So to have a second rice crop as such.
So it's like a small lake.
Yes, it's like a mini lake.
We do have a lot of small, this kind of lakes in Sri Lanka, but not well maintained nowadays.
That is happening over here too. Many of them are not well maintained now. There's been people are waking up to the fact that the ground water levels are dropping and dropping. Before, the water table used to be kept high because all these ponds were there that would maintain the water level. Now with the water levels dropping, it's becoming, the water table is going lower and lower. So people are trying to revive the old traditional little ponds and lakes so that the water table rises up again.
Can we go to that supermarket
Yeah.
to buy cashew? You think it's worth of going here?
I told you, no, cashew buy tomorrow at this shop where I know those cashews are definitely Goan.
Okay.
And they're very nice, that person there. On the main shopping street of Panjim.
And you also said jaggery, right?
Jaggery and all, that is the market. I'm going to take you to the local market in Mapsa. This is in Panjim and that is
Okay.
in Mapsa. Two different places.
I love this place basically. Very calm.
Yeah. This is all the south of Goa. Tomorrow when I take you to my village area, leaving aside the little interior villages, you will find everything is very touristy, busy, blah, blah, blah. Yeah.
Okay.
Train crossing, so we have to wait for some
Yeah.
time.
Oh, ahead.
Oh, train crossing.
Yeah.
How far from here maybe?
They're just ahead. It will be hardly
Okay, so
100, 200 meters. You want
I'll
to walk
walk.
up ahead? Yeah. We'll pick you up at the
Yeah.
juncture.
Would you mind you also joining us?
Me?
Yeah.
Come, let's go.
Yeah, let's walk slowly.
Yeah, come.
इरफान भाई हमको हॉर्न मारो.
जाओ आराम से, आप आगे निकलो, मैं आता हूँ।
आ रही है ट्रेन. ओह, आ गई.
इधर ही.
ट्रेन आ गई.
I'll run and show you
There.
Wow. Indian Railway.
This is the Goa Express, which is going from Goa right up to, if I'm not mistaken, Delhi, New Delhi.
Oh, this going up
Yeah,
to Delhi.
New Delhi. This is the old train route. This was the train route that the Portuguese had asked the British to build for them in 1856. You can read there, Vasco to Nizamabad. So Goa Express.
Goa
And it goes, it's actually a long route.
Like how many kilometers from here to Delhi?
Over 2,000 for sure.
Oh. It's slowing down because any station nearby now.
There is but it won't stop. These long distance trains don't stop at the smaller station.
Okay.
It's come from Vasco da Gama.
Okay.
And from Vasco it will stop next at Margao. And then
Okay.
it will carry on. In Goa, they stop only in Vasco and Margao. Then I think, I don't know, next will be Londa, Miraj, all these. Because it follows a very interior route.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Big mango tree. So, but that train was such a small one, not very long one.
No. It's small only. Not very long.
Oh, it's a kind of express one, yeah?
Yeah. The local ones are usually longer, especially Bombay and all. They are longer.
So, gate
Opening.
opening now. Allah buat, utuk na what? Gate opening. So, Scooty is very famous here.
Yeah.
Scooties and then Suzuki,
Yeah.
this one.
These are the local transport buses, and you will see them all colors and shapes and sizes because the local transport is run by the private persons.
Okay.
So tariff, timings, all is decided by the state. Yeah.
No government involvement.
Yeah, there is a semi-government transport called the Kadamba, I told you that day. But otherwise, all transport in Goa is run by private operators. Goa Express.
Oh, single woman going without helmet.
That is the problem. Yeah. What silly excuses they give not to wear helmet. Somebody will say, I won't be able to, I can't hear what is this. Somebody will say, oh, my hair is getting spoiled. But if your head gets broken, then what? But yeah, they just give silly excuses not to wear helmets sometimes.
Without helmet.
Yeah.
So in India,
inner roads, because there's not so much of police check, people hardly wear. But the
Correct.
outer roads of they're going from one village to like this town and all, they will all wear. Because then chances of getting caught by the police are greater.
And that also only rider will put helmet.
Yeah, it's not compulsory for the
Yeah.
pillion.
Behind
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, no problem.
No. Actually,
some-
actually it has to be only 1 plus 1. But then there's always 1 plus 2 plus 3. You never know. Sometimes you have the family and the dog and everybody traveling on that.
Correct. Nice rice field.
At least in Goa, it's not so much. Goa
Yeah.
maximum you will see is 3, not more than that. But you go to other parts of the country, oh God,
See,
the whole
see.
family seems to be managing
Rider
on
with
that.
helmet.
Yeah.
Behind no helmet. And also other thing I noticed, some people, put in both the legs one side.
Yeah.
Some-
Especially the ladies who sit with dresses, no?
Yeah.
Generally sit sideways.
Okay.
Yeah. And the ones who are who wear pants or they tend to sit astride. And especially ladies with saris will always sit side saddle, as we call it. Yeah. But it kind of can make the rider a bit off balance because
छोटा दुकान में एक चाय मारेगा क्या? छोटा दुकान.
उधर जाएंगे बांबोलिम
वो क्या?
बांबोलिम त्यासाठी असतो चहा
प्राइस. भाई हर एक चीज के लिए बड़ा बड़ा दुकान में मत लेके छोटा वाला में छोटा समोसा.
टपरी टाइप.
हो ते सायडीक हा न्हू
हय बांबोलिंबा थंय आसतलें. Otherwise, you want to go into town now, pick up your cashew nuts, and ma'am, you want to have a look at that pearl thing. We'll do it today itself, and then go to the hotel.
Up to you.
Oh, okay, we'll do that then. Let's go. Ponche 18 June Road आहे याने. आणि तिथे धाकटुले चाय पाणी हा न्ही टपरी लायक. तू जाणा न्ही चाय पाणी. ये रे. पॅन्च ये आमचे दिल्ली दर ये रे नॉट दिल्ली दरबार बॉम्बे बाजार हा न्ही. त्याचे पयली ते कॉर्नराक ते चाय पाणी हा. It's like a little. I mean, I go there if I want my cup of tea.
महाराष्ट्र चहा असतो
Oi, there's a chow मेवता, and there you can get a samosa or something. People will just come there, drink the tea, eat, and get
Just a small bite, right?
small bite like a samosa or something, and they go there.
So that's the industrial city you told me, right? All
The
pharmaceutical
yeah, we are going up that again now to go to back to
okay.
Panjim. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we'll wait till then.
Yeah. It will take us maximum half an hour to get into Panjim. Maximum.
okay.
Because now we join the highway, you know.
Yeah.
In hardly 2 minutes we're on the highway. Then the highway there is no blockage, so we'll go straight to Panjim. We'll have your chai, then we'll walk up to the cashew shop, then we'll sit in the car, and then we'll go to where you want to have a look at this pearl. It's in the city only. Then tomorrow, like, we can devote the time just for our sightseeing and all. and then evening you can go straight back and rest, because then the day after you have to get up very early, you know.
Yeah.
So that's why let's finish this today, the cashew and the pearl thing.
Yeah.
Now we are in highway, right?
Yeah, we're back on the same highway.
3.
Sleeping boy.
Oh, this is nice. Husband sitting behind.
Yeah.
Lucky husband, no?
Yes.
Now he have a helmet but not wearing.
Car sale. Mostly Suzuki's. On duty electricity department. ये शुगर वाला तो हर एक कॉर्नर पे है.
Yeah, yeah.
गन्ना
गन्ना बोलता है.
गन्ने का जूस.
हाँ, गन्ने का जूस. So I will remember Goa for some time. I have many videos, right? I'll play one video and see. Okay.
How
Otherwise,
sweet.
I will not remember even the name.
How sweet.
So we approach in now industrial area. Bicycle, bicycle. Oh, container. That's why the traffic. Electricity board. Bye bye. This is the industrial area, right?
Yes. Little further up, no, not the first junction, the second signal. We
Okay.
had come from the left when we had gone to the temple, and
So-
then we went straight across to the right to go to the Hauser and the Bigfoot.
Okay.
So we've sort of done like a sort of a circle, like.
Cement factory?
No, crushing of the gravel. The crushing the gravel to make the roads and all that. Cement factory, there would be dust all around.
Shipla. What is Shipla?
Pharmaceutical.
Okay. So Shipla Pharmaceutical Company is in Panjim, Goa.
Yeah, this is Verna, the Verna
Verna.
Industrial Estate, as we call it.
Goa Private Transport.
Yeah, all these colorful buses are Goa Transport, private. I'll show you the Kadamba one somewhere. We'll see.
So now there are 3 types, right? One government, semi-government, and private.
No, the semi-government and private. There's no full government. Kadamba is a semi-government corporation.
So we have government and private. Now
Okay.
in Sri Lanka, they also
Okay.
going to start, I believe, semi-government one
Okay.
soon.
Okay. We have semi-government and government.
Philippine or private, no client?
Huh?
Philippine buses?
Yeah.
All private, right? Nothing owned by government.
Okay.
Sometimes they deploy.
Why the traffic
Right.
Irfan?
इवे नाही तर सिग्नल आहे सर
There's a signal in the front. That's why.
सर्कल आहे ना
That was the signal we had turned left and gone to the houses and all.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ah, there is signal.
Mm.
See these rocks actually, I'm bit surprised. So Goa can start anytime iron mining again.
If they are granted permission, they are ever ready.
Hmm. Permission from the central government.
I think both central and state.
This one tamarind tree, yeah?
Yes, that's tamarind. You all also use tamarind in your cooking, no? In Sri Lanka?
Yes, we
yeah.
use lot,
Yeah, we also use.
especially in meat cooking.
Okay.
So
Here we use tamarind in our curries and all that. In meat, we use vinegar from the palm toddy.
Okay. So we use tamarind in meat curries
Okay.
and black tamarind in fish curries.
Okay.
So basically, tamarind will make meat softer.
Okay.
Black tamarind will make meat harder. So
Okay.
if you put black tamarind in meat,
Uh-huh.
then it will be like a rubber.
Okay.
So fish basically soft, right?
Yeah.
So if
So-
you put tamarind, it will be little harder.
Okay. Okay.
That's what I heard from the
Okay. Elders.
elders. So how big was the Goan iron industry?
It was like the second major industry in Goa after tourism.
Okay. After tourism.
Yeah.
So you said currently the first one is foreign remittance.
Yep. I would
Second
still
tourism.
Say, yep.
Whenever the tourists come, average how long they stay?
Depends. Some tourists who come on charters stay for an average of 2 weeks.
Okay.
And the regulars who come on their own, say after doing Delhi, Agra, will stay for 2 nights or maximum 3 nights. That's it.
Agra is what basically?
Delhi, Agra, Jaipur, what they call the Golden Triangle of India, no? Where you have the Taj Mahal is in Agra, right?
Ah, okay.
Yeah. So they do Agra, then Taj Mahal in Agra, then they do the Hawa Mahal, the Jaipur Palace, the Ajmer Fort, all these. And then some of them, normally people think India is only the Golden Triangle. Delhi, Agra, Jaipur, Udaipur, all this. But now people take an extension and come to this part. Or South India, or go to other parts of the country.
Okay. So this way was the police, right?
No, police was at the first signal. This is the second signal. This way we had gone to the house and all. The police were at the first signal. There we had turned and gone up to the temple.
Tile factory, marble factory.
Yeah.
So Dabolim airport somewhere here.
Yeah. We had gone left, no?
Yeah.
So from here, I think Dabolim, कितने 9 kilometer रास्ते है?
No,
Yeah, around 9 kilometers. Is the signal working or still the policemen are there? Can't make out. Policemen, I think, because I can't see.
No, I
this.
think it's working. See that
Yeah, it's
signal is
working.
red.
Okay.
चालू आहे
Chalo. Yeah, it's working. Correct.
Morning this was not working, so
No. There were policemen here.
yeah. I think this multi-story building coming up because of the industrial area. Yeah?
Yes, yes, yes.
This all I think very new building.
All. You had come about say 15 years ago, there was hardly anything here.
Hmm.
During the last 20 to 15 odd years, it has just boomed. Like,
So in Goa, I think medical field doing well.
yep,
Bangalore IT.
yes.
Bangalore.
Bangalore, then now Hyderabad also is developing up. And you know, this the new state which has formed after breaking away from Andhra called Telangana, their CM is promoting a lot of IT. You know,
Okay.
giving good facilities and incentives and all that. So many IT establishments are sort of setting up
चिल्लर नहीं
there.
है
Huh?
चिल्लर नहीं है चेंज नहीं है चेंज आमच्याकडे
Poitaro.
You give something, no? Good. So she miss. Fortunately, she miss.
Sometimes it sounds a little harsh, but you know, I don't give women with kids because, especially in Bombay and all, no, it is a business.
You are
Yeah, I
promoting,
even.
supporting.
Yeah, I'll tell you honestly, I don't give women and children, women and especially women with kids and children, because I feel the kids, they're depriving them of the education. Women, if they want, they can jolly well work, but they're just walking around. And you know what? I don't know, don't be surprised, but they, as I said, it's a business. Because in my village, in Kalangut, that's a big tourist center, right? And initially, you know, a lot of charters, foreigners used to come there. And this is not my observation, this is an observation of one of the tourists who was visiting regularly. She was saying that every year she came, she would find the same woman with another baby of the same size. So, you know,
Seriously?
like a lot of them would rent out the babies from other women, no? And go and use those kids to beg. So I find that is horrendous.
I don't like. I don't support this.
I don't support this. I mean, if there is somebody handicapped, old and all, I will give easily. I will not even wait for them to ask. I will just remove and give it to them.
I'd rather
But
give to hardworking someone.
exactly. I like once in a while I go and donate to the orphanages, you know, where at the homes where the old people are, all that I try to do.
But this kind, it's like you are promoting them. You are.
I feel you are sort of helping them to continue doing what they're doing, especially when it is with kids. And in Bombay, there is a begging mafia. I don't know if you're aware.
Yeah.
Begging mafia.
Yeah, they actually sometimes, now I don't think it's so much, but initially they would literally kidnap kids,
People, yeah.
sometimes kids mainly, sometimes maim those kids.
Yeah.
You know, they could be healthy kids,
We go
but
to
they,
that bridge, right? We close
yeah,
to the
yeah. They would purposely maim them, and then you know, in the morning there would be like a vehicle taking them and dropping them at a unit at places, and evening coming and collecting them. Like there was a case, it had come on the newspaper. This one beggar, he died, and when they went, they found so much of money under his pillow. And you know, some of these people, they own bungalows, and I mean, not bungalows, but apartments and all, which they really rent out. So it's like a business for them. So I mostly avoid giving these people. If I see somebody really old and I feel needs help, I will just, without asking, I will give. But these people, I normally don't.
I'd rather have like when someone older.
Is working hard,
Selling-
give him,
selling on the
buy
street,
from them, yeah.
fruits or
Exactly.
something.
Exactly. And normally when I go to the market and if the older women are selling vegetables and all, whatever price they say, I give them and I buy. I don't bargain with them because I say, okay, they're making a livelihood and we should support them.
That's what people we should support.
Exactly.
Not others.
Exactly.
Lazy people.
Not lazy people, you're right.
Bridge coming, fancy bridge.
Yeah.
What
They
is bridge
actually
called?
have this is the Zuari bridge, as we call it,
Zuari
after the river Zuari. They have plans of having a restaurant on the top, but when it will materialize, I don't know.
Oh, here.
Yeah, on somewhere on the top up there.
It's a big river here.
Yeah, this is the Zuari River. It opens up, widens up into the Arabian Sea in the front.
Go Irfan.
Tu rao na
Close
kai.
There is port here or what? Why?
The Marmagoa Harbour we saw yesterday from Dona Paula.
Okay.
It's on this side of the Mandubi of the Zuari River at the very end.
Okay. Oh, first time three-wheeler, rickshaw.
We don't have too many tuk-tuks in Goa. Mumbai, you will have too many of them, rickshaw or tuk-tuks as we call them. In Goa, no, we have this concept of a motorcycle taxi.
Okay.
And because of the speed that they go, they are referred to or known as pilots.
Hmm.
Because, like, slang to say that they're flying on the road.
So here one fishing harbor also, yeah, a small one.
Yes.
See some fishing
The
boats.
trawlers come in and they go out in the evening.
Ocean man friends.
These wouldn't be the ones who had stopped ocean
No,
men.
no.
Those would be the local fishermen guys.
Rivers.
Correct.
Military.
Those ones, yeah?
Yeah, those are military. Training, they're under training.
Oh, okay. They are under training.
Yeah, drivers under training. They're always like a convoy going one behind the other. There'll be at least 5-6 of them. You can see one more here.
Hmm.
They're drivers under training because there's a naval base right on the top.
Okay.
Where I shown you the medical college, no? A little
Yeah.
before the medical college is the naval training center.
Big Daddy Casino, dream big.
Yes, dream big.
Dream big and you lose.
You lose bigger.
Yeah. That's why it says dream big.
Yeah.
Only dream.
They don't say you will win big.
Entire Goa is low altitude, right? So you don't have big hills and all.
Sorry?
Entire Goa is in low altitude.
Goa is from sea level to 1,200 meters. Average is 800 meters. We have only 2 peaks in Goa which are 1,200. Otherwise, the average of the hills or mountains is about 900 meters above sea level.
Okay.
So we are sea level to 1,200 meters.
Big Daddy everywhere.
They want you to dream, no?
Lot of cows. I think that's enough to know how is
Goa.
Goa.
Yes.
No, Irfan? Irfan Sheikh. Bye then. For now, we'll see you from next video. Panjim City.